few people
profiles, I mean, on the same platform or on different platforms using the same name. Ukhanze ukuthi on Facebook you are Tando Beauty, on WhatsApp you are Quinty, on TikTok you are Slay Girl. So you find that your customers are definitely confused because you are using what? You are using different names. So please, if you have got your Facebook, use the same name as the one you're going to put on your WhatsApp business, the same business account on TikTok. You can separate your business account with your TikTok account. It is also allowed. I mean, even on your Facebook, just separate it. It is okay. Don't confuse yourself. For instance, if you go online right now and then you click on me, like if you go online on Google, so you see immediately you ask for the sales alpha. You see my YouTube channel is here, right? And then you see the videos on my YouTube channel, right? Then you look at my Facebook, it is appearing here. You see my TikTok, it is also here. You see all those things, all those profiles, they are from different platforms but same name. So namhlanje we want to make sure that your business also appears the same way. Let's go on Chrome. Let's see on Chrome what we are going to find. So you see my business is appearing like this. So at the end of this lesson we need to see your business appearing like this on Google. It has got the location, it has got the name of the business, it has got directions, it has got your location, cell phone number and everything. This is now Google. So this is YouTube, this is Facebook, and Google over here. This is what we have to achieve today. A business yakho has to be visible online at the end of this lesson. So let's move. So just use the same name so all the people can trust you on it. So how are we going to create the business profile? Okay, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to send you guys a link. I'm going to send a link to you guys in class. Yeah, I'm going to send a link. So you're just going to click that link, then that I'm going to post right now on the group. So you just click that link, and that is where you are going to be able to create your business profile. So I'm sending the link on the group now. Yes, it is now on the group. So we're just going to click on it. After clicking on it, it is going to take you to a place like this. Eh? So the first step, you click that link and then you say start now. So once you say start now, it is going to start with what? Get your business discovered on Google search, maps, and all. Firstly, is the business name. So I'm going to make an example with my wife's business and create a profile for her. Okay, this is business name. All right, Kitchen Essentials Eswatini. So that's the name. After that, we click continue. It's almost similar steps, even it's almost similar steps when you are using the phone. When you are using the phone, then choose your type, your business type. Is it an online retail? Is it a local store? Is it a service business? So for us, it is a service business. Your business makes business to customers, or I can say it is an online retail. But as for you, you can say it is what? It is a local stop. So let me do that because most of you have got local shops. So I'm going to make the example as many of you guys' businesses. So let's go to next. All right, business category. Enter a business category. What is it about? Food, drink, shopping, services, hotels. You see all those things. Just choose one. If you don't see, you can just say what? For instance, I'm going to say kitchen. So if I say kitchen, I'm going to say kitchen supply store. You see, just type. You are going to type the category of your business. Then it is just going to give you some recommendations. So you say next again. So enter your business address. So add a location where customers can visit your shop in person. It's in Swaziland, right? Street address. Street address, I can say I can say what? St. Anne's Road. St. Anne's Road, Malkins City. It is in Malkins, of course. Then postal code for Malkins should be M205. Oh, maybe I forgot. So make sure you've got the right postal code for your business. Then next, then it is going to recommend places that have been put around your area. For instance, this is Black Mamba Chili, then Swazi Kinglis. It's around here. So I'm going to say none of this because they're asking you, is this your business? Ne? So none of these are my business. So I'm going to say none of this. Then say what next? After, they want now a location. So you have to know the location where you are. So it is either you can just drag the location, this thing, just say adjust, then you can move the map until it gets to where you are. Ne? You just say adjust, then when you are done, you say done here. Even on the phone, same procedure. Ne? Then you say next. Please make sure you are writing the steps down so that when you are doing, you can just follow through from your notes. Because if you say you are going to just look at what I'm doing and master is, it will be a lie. Trust me. I know it's going to be a lie. So make sure you're writing the steps down. Ne? Then what contact details? What contact details do you want your customers to show? So this is Swaziland. Phone number 7850 3728. Then website. Some of you guys do have websites already, so you're just going to paste the link there. But if you don't have, it is optional. Ne? It is not a must. Then add chat. It is also optional as to how do you want people to talk to you. You want people to text message you, so you can just write your text message number, maybe say 7963 7656. That is a text number. Or you can click here and say, no, I want to do WhatsApp. So for WhatsApp, you go and look for the link for your WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link with Johnny. You go to tools. To get your WhatsApp link, you go to tools. After going to tools, you click the three dots at the top of your WhatsApp, three dots at the top right. After clicking those three dots, you click short link. Tools, three dots at the top right, then short link. Then you come and paste the link here. So I'm going to go back to text message and then I'm going to say next. Then get your business on a map. All right. Then I'm going to say no, leave these ones. If you need it, you can just say that. Continue. So right now it is building the business profile. It is not a hard thing, trust me. It is not a hard thing. So now they are going to send a message to my number to verify. You see, verify using this. So I'm going to click there. Then I'm going to say next. So get a verification code sent to your phone. Text message. Then I'm going to say, I can even say call, but let me say text message because I'm using a computer. The call is automatically detected if you're using a phone. So you can use your phone. But me, I'm going to say text message because this is a computer and it's on a different phone. Then they are going to send you a verification code. Then you enter the code here. Please call me the code and SMS on your phone. 07 47 26 07 47 26. All right, so we have received a verification code now. So I'm going to say verify. You see, you are now verified. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat and more. So I say what? I say next. The verification is very important because your business has to be real. Your business has to be real. Then customize your profile. Add business hours. So you can just put business hours as you want. Maybe if I say on Sunday we're closed, okay, then on Monday we're open. What time are we open? We open in the morning, 8 a.m. What time are we closing? We close in the afternoon. What time in the afternoon? At 4 p.m. So you put like date, you put like date, you put like date, ngakunye, one by one. And then when you are done, you say next. I'm removing this one. So you say next. Then add business description. Then on the description, I'm going to say all right, so we help you improve your house and kitchen at affordable rates. Feel free to reach out. Then say next. Then add a storefront photo. So if you have got maybe where you guys are renting a shop around town, so take a picture of the front of your shop because you need to add the picture here. Add the picture of where you guys are, any surroundings. So I can say select images, but unfortunately I don't think we do have any images of that kind here. So I don't know. For example's sake, I can just pick any picture. Yeah. For example's sake, I'm going to pick any picture here. So you can add as many photos as you want so that if someone doesn't see the gate, at least let them see the shop next to you, let them see the road, let them see buildings around you. See, so add as many pictures as you can to make sure that it is all clear. But maybe I am ganging if I add this picture because it is one of my clients' businesses. So let me just add this. Yeah, just going to add this thing here for practical sake. After you've added the picture, you simply click next. Then they want us to see 8 photos on your shop, show off products, and let customers pick inside your business. Now it is time to take pictures inside your shop. Inside your shop. Then that one was outside, remember? That was the storefront. Now it is your store inside your shop. Maybe show us your drivers, your whoever is working inside there, then put it here. Then I'm going to say skip for now. Then advertise easily in minutes. Start advertising your business with Google Ads. Okay, this one, Mbambamba, it is now complete. But if you want to take your business to the next level, let's say you want to now run ads on Google. You see, when people are, if you go to Google and search for something right now, there are some things that are going to appear. For instance, let me just make an example like this and say, all right. So I said video editing software, right? That is what I searched for on Google. But you see, there is this thing called sponsored results, meaning there are people who have paid Google to make sure that whatever someone searches here, their business comes first. Because there are a lot of businesses that are doing what? That are in your area. So for Google to give yours firstly, then they are going to appear here. For instance, let me just make it an example like this. churches in Manzini. You see, immediately we say churches in Manzini. These are the churches that have got what? Have got business profiles, right? But churches don't run ads. You see, they're just appearing as many as they can just appear. But that side on business part, they will be sponsored. This is where this thing is coming in, whereby you are going to say, let me just do it for the sake of those who want to do it. Setting up your Google Ads account now. Ne? So now we are setting up your Google Ads account. Not Facebook, not WhatsApp. This is now Google Ads. Ne? Then, where should people go to after clicking your ad? Your website, your business profile. So if you are fortunate enough to have a website, put your website there. But for me and you, we're going to use our business profile. Next, scanning your business profile. All right, thanks. People come here after they click your ad. So this is how your ad will appear on a phone, then on a computer. This is how your ad is going to appear. Then I'm going to say next. Then, what is your main advertising goal? Okay, I want to get more calls. I want to get more website sales leads, get more visits to your physical shop, get more views or engage on video. So I can say get more calls. Then we move. Depending on the nature of the business you are running, because some businesses they don't do well with what with a call. Now it's time to write your ad. So you see, they are showing you here the headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, description 1, description 2. So you put on the headline, what is your ad about? Let's say, for instance, I'm going to say, so I'm going to say looking for kitchen supplies. Headline 2, so you can write anything as long as it is going to make people to click on your ad. Ne? We have a range of products to fit your budget. Ooh, it is too long. It is too long. It is too long. It should not exceed 30 characters. We have a range of products. Okay, headline 3. So it is showing, we'll see this side, this is how it's going to appear. Then description. It is taking longer. It is taking longer. Description, what I'm going to say about description. Okay. Description number 2. No. Next. Description number 2. Make sure you come in store. We got deals for you. Then next. Add images for higher quality ads. Images. Use images to engage who are interested in your product. So let me say I'm going to upload here. Upload files. Let me go to pictures. Then okay. Open. So you can put the pictures that you want to appear on your ad as much as you want them to be. So which type do you want them to appear as? Okay, so I'm going to say done. When you are done, and then use logos to help people recognize your business or brand. Logos, Now you have to upload your business logo. Make sure your business has a logo. I don't know if this one has a logo here. Okay, I'm going to steal a logo just from this side, or just use this thing. Or here, just put it here. So even if you're using your phone, same steps, it's just the same steps, nothing much complicated. Base, it's done. Then you say next. Then choose the terms your customers are searching on Google. So new keyword theme. Add keyword theme. It is kitchen. Kitchen workshop. Suggested additional terms. So I can add or say kitchen, cooking. So you just click the plus sign to take it up. Then kitchen linen, cooking appliances, online kitchen. These words siwabita ngema-tags. The importance yalamagama lawa ukuthi when you are here, when someone says a kitchen, anything that has to do with kitchen, your advert is going to appear. When someone is saying what cookware, your advert is still going to appear. So you look for words that are in line with what you want to advertise, you see. Then when you are done, you say next. So you can put them until they tell you that it is done. Does your campaign have European Union politics ads? No, this campaign doesn't have EU political ads. Then you say apply. Then advertise near an address, or advertise in specific zip code, cities, or regions. What do you choose? It is up to you, depending on the campaign that you are going to be running. Whom do you want to advertise to? You see, this is the region. So it's going to cover people around Mangayane, Punya, Babane, Manzini, people who are almost around cities around where? Around my place. It's a 5-kilometer radius. Or, you see, when I increase the radius here, it also increases the sphere over here. If I take it up like this, it means it is now somewhere around South Africa here and most parts of Swaziland. You see, just like that. Just like that. Then you say next. Select a budget option. How much do you want to spend per day? How much do you want to spend? So you can choose this, you can choose that, you can choose, you just click on the one you want to spend. Let's say $1.20. Usually, I think, I don't know how much $1 is today, but usually it is 16 emalangeni. So maybe this is close like to 17 emalangeni or somewhere there. Ne? So you can just say maybe 16.50. This is per day. Then you say next. So you can even enter your own budget. Ne? So don't worry. So this is how your advert is going to be. And then you say next. Now confirm payment info. This is where you have to link your bank card. This is where you link your bank card. So Swaziland, this is time, promotions, offer code. No, you don't have an offer code. Individual, Bongman's individual, this is me. Add payment method. This is where you start, plus sign. Then add credit or debit card, you say plus. Then this is where you put your card number. Then this is where you put the month and the year of the card. Security code, it is the security code, it is the CVV. You see that 3-digit number on your card. When you are done, you say save card. That is just easily how you create an ad. That is just how easily you create an ad. Is there anywhere where someone was lost in the process? as we're creating the. Is there a step that you lost somewhere? Oh, it means it was clear. Okay, it means it was clear. So the notes, it's just yesterday's notes, just that I had not reached there yesterday. So it's still the notes I sent on the group. Same ones, is the ones I was using. Just that I had not reached there. I wanted to highlight those things before we could proceed. So guys, is there any way what you would love me to specify on? Are we all good? Are we all good? Okay, let's go and check our profile. So we took a long way. We took a long way. Otherwise, when you get here, before you can create the ads account, for those who just want to create the profile, then you say skip. When you get there, then your ads to be visible once you are verified. Continue. So, and tada, the business profile has been created. This is Kitchen Essentials Eswatini. This is the location, directions. This is the phone number. This is where we are. As easy as that, my good people. That is how we create a business profile. It is very important because if someone comes from South Africa looking for a service, they don't go to Facebook. Some of countries they don't use Facebook. So the person just goes online and says what? Driving schools near me. And then your driving school appears and then they click directions. Immediately the person says directions. It takes you to Google Maps. So Google Maps is now going to tell you, turn right, turn left. You see, immediately you click directions. It is now giving me directions. Let me say I am from Manzini. Manzini Lifestyle Center. So this is the destination of the business, and this is Manzini Lifestyle Center where I am. So immediately the person says, now I'm driving. It takes the person straight inside your shop easily. They didn't call, they just use Google Maps. So that is why imtoka kakhulu that part. That is why that part is very, very important. The one for directions. It will take the person straight to your shop. Google Maps shows everything. Do you see how detailed even the houses? Even the houses. So it will bring people straight to your shop. Straight to your shop. Don't think you are not visible. All these are houses around this Butleni Road. We can even be locating you in your home right now. So as easy as that. So that is how we do our business profiles, good people. It will really go a long way. I know. So that's why I asked for this 30 minutes so that we can just deal with it as easy as that. I think my time is up for tonight, and I think this concludes our work for for the week. Unless there are further questions, ladies and gentlemen, my job is done now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Have a wonderful night. I love you all. You can join us for our 7 days online digital skills training that is starting on June 03, 3 June 2026. I will see you there. Have a wonderful night, guys. Good night. Thank you so much for joining us. I love you and I so much wish you the best in your businesses. I'm going to send the recording as usual on the. I'm going to send. Yes, yes, Pilile, the training is done. This was just an addition. This was just an addition to what I didn't finish yesterday because of time. Yeah. All right. Kusasa, yes, Kusasa, there is nothing, Pilile. We have covered everything now. We have covered everything. Sasa, there is nothing. Yes. All right. Bye all.